singer-songwriter in Dunedin, New Zealand, but because I wanted a career in country music, I was working everything from hospitality, I worked in a pharmacy, I did babysitting, I did some busking as well to save money and saving to record because recording's expensive too. Working quite a lot of jobs, I was just so burnt out. There was no room for creative energy. I had writer's block. I struggled to sleep as well, so change is kind of necessary. Can you recommend any crystals that are good for clearing your throat?
You can use any of those. It's gonna help you. The same energy.
Cool. A friend said one of their friends was in Playa del Carmen, so I jumped on a call with her to find out what it was like here. I like the fact that it's a tourist town. There's lots of live music venues, so that'll be good for inspiration and possibly performance opportunities. It's full of people that are practicing alternative healing, so that'll help me work through the writer's block and I'll be inspired again. Australia and America. That's the extent of my international travels, so I thought, let's just try. What have I got to lose?
You've never been to Mexico before?
No.
And you're moving here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, crazy.
You're committed.
Yeah, very.
It's a really big leap of faith Bronwyn's taking. And for her to come here on her own is such a big move for her. To reset and get back on track to her music career, where her passion lies.
I am living off my savings while I get started here, so definitely want to make it last as long as possible and not feel that extra stress of watching the pennies drop.
You want to find a property here in Playa del Carmen to rent?
Yes. Close to town, but not too close, because I know it can be a bit noisy there. Maybe like 15, 20-minute walk from the beach.
Okay. One bedroom?
Yes. If there's an outdoor space, like that would be cool. And just good lighting for just like a mood boost as well, too. You know, I don't know many people while I'm getting set up, you know, might be a bit stressful.
So it's probably best we find something for you that's, you know, fully furnished, just move in, ready to go.
Yeah.
How much do you want to spend, or like what's your limit?
I'm just going to be living off savings just while I take a break.
Okay.
Possibly like virtual assistant work or something similar if I need to. So hoping for something less than $800 a month.
So you want close to the beach, you want close to shops and restaurants and everything for only $800 a month?
Yes.
No. No.
I believe in you.
Oh. The pressure. I can probably find something that has it all, but it'll cost a little more. So I've got my work cut out for me, for sure.
This location I have in mind for you, you've got some great street food, you know, tortas and tacos. Probably don't see a lot of that in Dunedin.
No. Definitely need to build a community here too. That'll be one of my focuses.
Mike hopes a local and affordable option will help Bronwyn ease into her new home in Mexico. But it might miss the mark as a relaxing sanctuary.
All right, Bronwyn, here we are. I know you don't mind a walk to the beach. Here you're probably 15 to 20 minutes.
Cool.
Close to all the shops and restaurants in town, and I know that's important to you, right?
Yeah, it's a bit noisy.
Yeah.
Is it always like this?
Well, I did tell you it's a very central location,
Yeah.
you know?
Yeah.
This apartment is basic. It's one bedroom-ish.
What's the ish?
There's no door between the living space and the bedroom space.
Sounds interesting.
It's furnished, maybe lacking a couple of pieces. There's no outdoor space, but the price I think you're gonna love, $650 a month.
Oh, yeah, that sounds amazing.
Should we go in?
Yeah, let's have a look. Now I see what you mean by basic.
Right, it's simple.
Yeah. Maybe a table would be nice.
Yeah, that's one of the pieces that, as I say, is missing a couple pieces of furniture, maybe a bigger one.
Yeah.
You could probably boil an egg in here.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, electric cooktop, that'll do it.
Good. Yeah, reheat some leftovers.
Loads of restaurants around the corner for you.
Perfect.
Yeah. It's missing an air conditioning unit in this space, so maybe a
Right.
little bit warmer here, but
Yeah.
in the bedroom you've got full AC.
Could be a bit of an issue.
I'm trying to get a read on Bronwyn here. She doesn't really wear her heart and her emotions on her sleeve, maybe when she's singing, but, you know, it's tough to tell.
And, oh yeah, I see what you mean about room-ish.
Right, there's no door separating the living space and bedroom, but you've got the wall, a bit of an arch.
I like the color, the yellow walls, that's cool.
Right, you're in Mexico.
Yeah.
Don't be afraid to add a little color to your life.
Yeah, definitely. Nice
Yeah.
and bright too. The wardrobe space, a lot of it, that's nice.
And a nice, clean, fresh, renovated bathroom. Has all the basics?
Yeah, that does the trick.
All right, Bronwyn, let's have a seat and chat.
Cool.
You can picture yourself living and relaxing in here.
Yeah, I think so. It'd be easier to imagine once there's a table there, or if there was already a table there.
I understand. And I know it's not really a totally separate bedroom space. I know we don't have an outdoor space here.
I mean, I do understand what you mean by basic. If the traffic was too noisy here, it might be hard to sleep and just relax and everything.
But I think you're really liking the price on this property, am I right?
Yeah, definitely. But we'll see. It's kind of a weird situation being like a free spirit, but also being very logical and fighting myself often. Like, no money, gotta think about finances.
I want to show Bronwyn you only live once.
But it'll take some work to convince her to spend her savings.
So how does Playa del Carmen fit into your music, your career, your, where you want to go?
In a lot of ways, it doesn't really. People have sort of looked at me strangely when I tell them I was moving here, but hopefully a change of scenery and everything will help re-inspire that.
That's great. I mean, with the different energy, different people,
Definitely.
different, all of it.
Yeah.
Bronwyn's putting a lot of trust and faith in me for her life and happiness. That's why she's here. You only live once. And I want to show Bronwyn, when you come in to change your life, change your lifestyle, and live different, just how far your money can go in Playa del Carmen. Here we are on Playa's 5th Avenue. And when people think of Playa del Carmen, they think of 5th Ave. It's like the heart of the city. You can feel it has a pulse, like a great energy. Loaded with shops and restaurants. It runs on for miles. You're only 2 blocks from the beach.
That sounds amazing.
And I know being somewhere a little more quiet and peaceful is really important to you.
Yeah.
The party zone is way down that way.
Okay.
This is much more residential. I think you'd be pleasantly surprised.
Cool.
Yeah. 1 bedroom, loads of natural daylight, huge outdoor terrace space,
Perfect.
and a separate bedroom. And this fabulous rooftop pool and common area space.
That sounds amazing. But dare I ask what the price is?
The price is a steal at $1,200 a month.
So it's a steal for people that can afford it.
You're here to have a fabulous experience.
It's tempting.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'll take it.
I've definitely had moments where I've solely been making an income from my music, and it's definitely possible. So that means it's super important to keep my expectations realistic and keep the price in check.
All right, Bronwyn, come on in.
Thank you. I'm loving the light already. And a wash and dryer. Oh my gosh, a dishwasher too. I can't afford this.
You deserve this. You can dine, you
Yeah.
can socialize, you can entertain here.
Nice big couch. Does it come fully furnished?
Yeah, everything you see here is included in the rent.
Cool. This balcony looks great.
Yeah, and I love the full height sliding glass door, lets in all that natural daylight.
Yeah.
How do you think you'd use this space?
Having breakfast, reading a book.
Resetting your mind.
Definitely.
Yeah. You see yourself enjoying this outdoor space?
I mean, yes, but
Come on. $1,200. The quality of life a person can have here in Playa del Carmen, to be so close to the beach, it's unbelievable. So really, you can stretch a dollar very far here, and then she'll have a real decision to make.
this is nice too. I like the colors.
Yeah, you got great big built-in closet space,
Yeah, that's amazing.
great big bed. Through this door is like an ensuite bath,
Cool.
but it's also shared with the common area.
Nice. It's a pretty decent shower. I like it.
All right, Bronwyn, welcome home.
Wow, this really is amazing. I could definitely see myself sunbathing up there.
Yeah,
Using the pool looks amazing.
doesn't it?
Wow. I'm always excited about the unexpected. The rooftop has an amazing vibe, but I know that also comes with a price tag. I love that it's so light and open. If I wanted something like fancy and they had the money for it, I would definitely go for this place.
We're 2 blocks from the beach, Bronwyn. Come on, 5th Avenue right there, all
Yeah.
the shops.
Yeah.
She doesn't have secure employment. She's moving here with some savings, and that's all she has.
Knowing money is tight until she gets some paid gigs. Mike wants to show Bronwyn she can still focus on wellness while only splurging just a little bit.
So where we are is very close to all the shops and restaurants in Playa del Carmen. We're a short 15-minute walk to the beach.
Perfect.
We're not right in the like the heart of the action,
Yeah.
you know, so you can get a good night's sleep.
Nice.
You're still in the city,
Yeah.
so there's going to be a city vibe.
Cool. That sounds good.
I think you're going to absolutely love this place. It's a one-bedroom, outdoor space, plenty of natural light,
Okay.
and beautiful shared rooftop lounge area with a pool.
Oh, that sounds amazing.
It's only a little bit more than you want to spend.
Right. Yeah.
$1,000 a month. It offers great value, and I think you'll appreciate that once you see it. What do you think? Should we take a look anyways?
Let's do it. Twist my arm.
All right, come on.
Cool. I don't normally need anything super fancy. I think some of the prices are a bit more than I expected, but some are also lower, so it's good to get an idea of what the market's like in person.
Come on in.
Wow, I'm loving the vibe in here. It's nice and light and bright, open.
Yeah, nice new space.
Yeah,
They built it just for you.
if only.
Check out the kitchen.
Yeah. Might go to waste a bit if I live here, but anyway.
And you got an outdoor space here, too.
Cool.
Roosters and all.
Small but cute.
Right, but because of that, you got all the window, too, and the natural light.
Definitely, yeah.
Cool.
That's important.
Let's check out the bedroom.
Nice. Yeah, it's a bit dark, but it's away from the living area. That was the main thing.
It's also, notice it's off the street, so it's super quiet in here.
Nice.
And if you're sleeping, you kind of want it dark.
Yeah, yeah. It's more the wake up in the morning, force myself out of bed.
Let's go check out the modern bathroom right here.
Wow, this is nice.
Nice and bright.
Decent mirror. Yeah, I love it.
I want to go show you this fabulous rooftop space. I hope you're ready for this.
Yeah. Wow, this looks amazing.
You can come up, some meditation, some inspiration.
Yeah.
There's another nice little lounge area over here.
Cool.
It's a shared common area. So sometimes you're going to have some neighbors that maybe are up here enjoying it. Maybe you become friends.
Yeah. Shoot some music videos here.
Ah, see, now you're getting it. Now
Yeah.
you're getting it.
Mike's mostly listening to me. I definitely agree with the phrase, you only live once. I mean, I'm here after all, trying to push my boundaries, confidence-wise, finance-wise, but there's a balance, you know?
Overall, what do you think of the space? Do you like the spot?
Yeah. It's got the outdoor space, the lighting, the rooftop, that's a bonus, yeah.
I think it has everything you're hoping to find,
Yeah, plus some.
plus some. See, there we go.
Still gotta keep in mind the price.
Right, okay. So Bronwyn's never been to Mexico, and she's coming here trying to find an apartment with all these ideas in mind of everything she wants. Living stress-free and not worried about how long her money's going to last. Also, the property has to feel good. And I think maybe reality is setting in a little bit for her. I see you with this struggle right now.
Yeah,
The money, I'm moving for a better life.
yeah,
It's a balance, right?
it is.
Bronwyn's moving here all on her own, get back on track to her music career. You know, she's living off of her savings, so this money really has to last. But she's set her mind to go do something fantastic. Live it up a little bit. We had one that was a little more rustic.
It was nice and bright and light.
There was no outdoor space.
Yeah,
And if you have guests over, they'll have to go through your bedroom to get to the bathroom. A little less private in that
yeah.
way.
Yeah, I see what you mean about room-ish. Could be a bit of an issue.
Remember Fantastic?
I do.
That rooftop pool.
Yeah, that was definitely fantastic. The apartment was amazing too. Yeah, I think the only downside was, yeah, the cost of it.
The price is a steal at $1,200 a month.
So it's a steal for people that can afford it.
That leaves the small
small
outdoor
one.
space. That was cute,
It was. I loved the pool.
but you say the bedroom was too dark.
Yeah,
If you're sleeping, you kind of want it dark.
yeah, yeah. It's more the wake up in the morning, force myself out of bed. As fantastic as the fantastic place sounded, the price was really high.
I understand. You're here with your savings. You have to make that work.
Yeah, I think it's just a little too fantastic for me right now.
What was your favorite part about the more rustic property?
I loved the yellow walls. The arch is pretty cute, but not having a door, very different. Not being fully finished,
It did not have an outdoor terrace space.
that's gonna be a problem.
What was your favorite bit about the other one?
Probably the pool.
You get the door you can close to your bedroom. Nobody has to go through your bedroom to
Yeah.
get to the bathroom.
Yeah. The bedroom is a bit dark. It's good for going to sleep, not so good for waking up at a normal hour.
I see you with this struggle right now.
Yeah.
The money, I'm moving for a better life.
Yeah.
It's a balance, right?
It is.
How do you decide?
Well, I hear what you're saying. I'm definitely here to have some fun as well. But I'm also here to relax and take a break from work, which means that I need to prioritize my savings. So with all that in mind, I think I'm going to choose the simple rustic place.
That's a fantastic decision.
Yeah. Should we just be on the same team?
So you're actually good, and you didn't tell us that part.
Well,
I don't know if we want to play now. Playa del Carmen is amazing. That looks too easy.
GG's.
Because he knows what he's doing.
And he still missed it. Lots of friendly people. It's a great community.
Yes!
I'm still working through the writer's block. I have finished one song and then lots of bits and pieces for some other songs, so it'll be a work in progress for a while, I think, but we're getting there.